All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, to staking the coin, to using that credit card for BlockFi credit card, to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Drip Network, we've been talking about that the last few days. Just all kinds of good things going on with passive income, cryptocurrency. What coins are we looking at today? Well, we're going to be talking about Tectonic. This cryptocurrency has been up for the last few weeks. It's up right this second. We're going to go to their Twitter account, go to their website. Why is it up? Well, we know it got listed. That was a big thing. And also the airdrops. There's a couple things that's going on for this token. Also, we're going to go to an article that maybe there's a use for cryptocurrency after all. So they're talking about some of these cryptos have no use at all. But this article talks about helium, how helium could be a utility. And you know what? We actually have a helium miner ourselves, so this is a pretty good article. We're going to talk about cryptocurrency maybe being useful, so pretty good. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, to be able to go and look at the charts. What do you want to buy? All kinds of good stuff. Well, let's go ahead and head over to Tectonic Crypto. All right, over here at Tectonic, take a look at this, 2902 on CoinMarketCap. It's up 18% in the last 24 hours. It's jumping off the thing here. It's up 11% in the last 7 days, but 18 in the last 24 hours. Clicking it, take a look again, 18% up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 1279. We'll come back to a price prediction a little bit later in the show. Take a look at that mountain. Like, that's what you love to see. If you got into Tectonic a week or two ago when we started talking, you're loving this. Take a look at how nice this is, just going up, up, up. So look at the last 7 days. The 7 days right here, it's actually really went up. But in the last 24 hours, that's fantastic. So it says, what is Tectonic? Is a decentralized, non-custodial, algorithm-based money market protocol that allows users to participate in liquidity supply of borrowers. Suppliers provide liquidity to market to earn passive income, while borrowers are also able to borrow liquidity in the over-collateralized fashion. This is a pretty cool token, everybody. Go over to the website, a Tectonic Shift, Lending and Borrowing. Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning passive yield and accessing instant bank loans. Generate passive yield on your assets. Crypto assets deposit into Tectonic earn attractive APYs. Based on a dramatic rate according to the market demands. Earnings are also available immediately with no lockup. Instant liquidity at your fingertips. Get an instant loan to unlock liquidity from your idle crypto assets in Tectonic. If you're sitting on crypto assets that are just sitting there, you may want to check this out. You can actually use crypto assets that are on idle and actually unlock it to use it for a loan. Keep your funds safe is our top priority. 3 key things. Audited smart contracts. Insurance fund is coming soon and open source. The audit smart contract, our smart contracts have been audited by leading blockchain insurance fund. 10% of the interest paid by borrowers go into an insurance fund used in the event that the uncollateralized loans are not properly liquidated. And the open source are among the founding principles of DeFi, which Tectonic is proudly committed to. So right here at the bottom of the page is kind of the best part. Frequently asked questions. What is Tectonic? Well, Tectonic is a decentralized, non-custodial, algorithmic money market protocol. Users can deposit assets to earn passive income. So number 1, you can deposit money to earn passive income. Or 2, you can borrow funds to unlock liquidity in their assets. So you can borrow or you can actually deposit and earn passive income. Both things. How does Tectonic work? The funds deposited by users are provided as liquidity to borrowers who may borrow at a various interest rate. Tectonic smart contracts adjust these rates based on each market utility rates. What is Tonic? Tonic is a Tectonic protocol token with 2 key uses: governance and staking in the community insurance pool to secure the protocol and earn more rewards. So Tectonic is actually a pretty fantastic thing. You can lend it and make passive income, or you can actually borrow against your crypto assets and actually use it as a loan. So far, so good. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, we're going to go over to this article. Maybe there's a use for cryptocurrency after all. And they're talking about one of our favorites, helium. And they're going to be talking about a helium hotspot. So they're saying maybe there's actually utility in cryptocurrency after all. Let's check this out. For all you that have helium miners, you're going to like this. So it says right there, maybe there's a use for crypto after all. Helium wireless network provided by cryptocurrency. Hint at the practical promise of decentralized service. So let's see what he has to say. One of the most frequent questions asked by crypto skeptics is, what can you actually do with crypto? It's a tough question to answer, in part because most of the success used in cryptocurrency so far has been in finance or finance field. There are plenty of crypto exchanges, NFT platforms, video games that involve buying and selling crypto tokens, but so far not many crypto projects have what I have been called a normal utility, something that's normal. They aren't primarily about buying and selling digital assets that would be impossible to solve with normal or non-crypto technology. Recently, though, I discovered one of them. It's called helium. Helium, I like helium. Why, it's not the most attractive grabbing crypto project out there. No carton apes, no copies of constructions are involved. Trying it out has helped me understand how crypto can be quite useful in solving certain types of problems. On one basic level, helium is a decentralized wireless network for the Internet of Things, devices powered by cryptocurrency. The network is made up of devices called helium hotspots. Each gadget costs around $500 each, and they actually reach about 200 times farther than your normal Wi-Fi spot. Shares the owner of the bandwidth, the nearby internet connection, like parking meters, air quality sensors, and smart kitchen appliances. That's what the helium runs on. These things use the helium network. Anyone can use a helium network, although most of the users so far are companies like Lime, which has used heliums to keep tabs on connected spotters. The Victor Mousetrap Company, which uses the new Lime of internet connective traps. More than 500,000 helium hotspots are around the world, with thousands being used in the network every day. So there's over 500,000 helium hotspots. Wow. That's pretty big. This crypto is an actual utility. It says helium hotspots reward their owners with participating in the network by creating utilities of cryptocurrency called HNT, code word for helium. These tokens can be bought and sold on the market like any other cryptocurrency, and the more a hotspot is used, the more HNT the token is generated. So yeah, everybody, just kind of wanted to go over this article. Maybe there's a use for cryptocurrency, and the use one of them all is helium. So yeah, I do like the helium. Helium miners are great. You can get one. You can only keep one in your house. You can't have 2 or 3 or 4. I would say, people want to say they make crazy money, but a helium miner that costs $500, I would say fairly it's going to produce about $200 to $300 a month in profit. Now, I do know some people that their helium miners are just going crazy and they're making way more than that because they're in a good location, but I guess it does depend on your locations. Hey, remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. Helium miners, pretty good. It's a utility that... All right, let's go back over here to Tectonic Crypto, a price prediction for Tectonic in 2022. Even in a down market, there are usually some opportunities that buck the overall trend, and one of them tokens is called Tectonic Crypto. Well, 2 big events led to Tectonic's surge. For starters, it got listed on crypto.com. Crypto.com, you're going to see them advertising on Sunday on the Super Bowl commercials, but they got listed on crypto.com. That's a big thing. On January 25th, 2 days before that, Tonic's airdrop snapshot was complete, and the snapshot is going to follow sometime in February, and you can follow their Discord and Twitter to find that out. What is Tectonic? Tectonic is a native token of Tectonic Protocol. It's decentralized money market and is designed for users to supply liquidity for borrowing and making passive income. Yeah, it's fantastic. The holders at Tonic are beneficiaries of the internet gains through supplying assets to the protocol, and unlike traditional money markets, they don't have to actually manage their assets. Furthermore, the traders can borrow certain cryptocurrencies that allow traders to capitalize on possible short-term upswings in the market, or they can simply farm yields. All right, so what's our price prediction over here? We're over at CoinMarketCap. This token is up 18% in the last 24 hours. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So we think there's still going to be 5 zeros, but that 12 I think is going to go to about a 17 or 18. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only, but a lot of good things going on. It's in the news. People are hearing about this token. It's up. Fantastic things going on with Tectonic. I also want to point out right here, Floki Emu, that's right above it, is up 32% in the last 7 days. You may want to take a look at Floki. And right above Floki, CNYX is up 53%. So there are some coins out there that are still hitting pretty good. Tectonic, again, up 19% in the last 24 hours. All right, everybody. We got the Super Bowl coming up on Sunday. They're calling it the Crypto Bowl. 43% new companies are going to be advertised. 4 of them are cryptocurrency companies. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Tectonic is on the up and up right now. Pretty awesome stuff. And a cryptocurrency that is actually being used for utilities, helium. All right, everybody. We bring you a video every single day at noon, Monday through Friday. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.